In this video, I'm going to show you what is causing the snafu and your SaeboStim 1 not to work properly, as well as I will show you the quick and safe way to counteract this manufacturing defect and be able to use your SaeboStim 1 until you can get another one sent to you. On the SaeboStim 1, you really have three components. You have the gel pads, which I've already adhered. You have the wings, and then you have the controller unit. And where the issue seems to be is at those metal plates where the controller unit attaches to the wings. So when these pins go inside the controller unit, we're actually not able to get the connection that we want. And that's why a lot of times you'll hear the beeping that it's not working. So sort of like this, right? You turn it on. Imagine this is on an arm, then you turn it up, right? It does a real quick beeping. And that's telling you that there's a connectivity issue. That's a warning that it could be the gel pads, could be the wings, could be that it's not sitting on your skin correctly, and it could also not be something wrong with the controller. In this case, it is the connectivity between the magnetic mechanism that holds the wings and the controller together. Now, the easiest way to fix this is actually, while this is applied, just turn the Saebo controller to the left or counterclockwise, or turn it all the way to the right. And that's how you fix the issue. It just makes the little pins sit appropriately against the metal and conduct the electrical stimulation. Here you can see that I have the SaeboStim 1 positioned to trigger the extensors of my wrist and fingers. So when I turn the device on, you should hear the normal long beep like that, and then there's also a blue light inside the O telling you that the device is on. Then, if I click the button up, hear those quick beeps, it means something's wrong, it's not connected correctly. Of course, the typical troubleshooting is that you make sure that it's pressed firmly against your body, and then you push the button up again. Nope, still not working. Now, this is where this specific manufacturing defect comes into play. Those little pins aren't connecting from the wings into the inside of the controller unit, so the electricity can't pass through, and there's a safety mechanism that if it's not working properly, it's not going to produce any electrical stimulation. So to counteract this safely and easily, you either turn the disc all the way, as far as you can, and make sure that you do it easily, but turn it as far as you can counterclockwise and try it. See there? Now I have electrical stimulation. Whoop, came undone. Or you turn it clockwise as far as it will go and push it up. On this one, it's clockwise, and now my finger and wrist are extending. The difference is when you do this, do it gently. So what's happening is the disc or the support is spinning. If you go too far, you will end up bending and creasing the wings, which will then make those not work, and now you will not have any use of your SaeboStim 1. Lastly, make sure that when you're using this, just stay stationary, because as I said before, if you're flopping around and doing this kind of stuff, you hear a beep, it's not going to stay there. If you're doing anything vigorously or you're trying to cook or do tasks, etc., it's probably not going to stay put and keep that stimulation coming. So I would recommend using this when you're planning to be stationary, like in a car ride, eating breakfast, watching TV, etc. All right, please contact us if you have any other questions, and we will hopefully be contacting you very shortly, sending you a new device.